Hey, it's Tom Gallagher, the Videopreneur, and it's day 15, part 2. And what you see now is Lynn is grinding the welds, cleaning everything up on the gas tank mount. So he created this gas tank mount out of 1-inch tube, and he welded it. At first, he tacked it together. In the previous videos, it was all tacked together. Then he welded it, and now he's drilling holes for the Rivnuts. And so the idea behind this is you have the rails on the back of the frame rails on the back of the truck, and the gas tank is going to mount in this bracket or mount that you see here, and then that's going to slide right in the back of in between the rails on the back end. In order to access the fuel filter and or the fuel pump, the bed will have to come off. I've already had a question about that, completely aware of it. That's the way we set it up. And if you use good equipment, good parts, the likelihood of having a problem is lessened. If we have a problem, well, that's just something I'll have to deal with later down the road. But in this video, you see Lynn grinding, cleaning up all the welds, welding a little bit more, cleaning it up, and then getting it all set. Then we're going to mount it in the back of the bed and the rails, make sure it's sitting exactly where we want it, and then we'll prime it and paint it. So I'm going to stop talking here on this video. In a moment, when Lynn's done with this, you can see he's got it in a mount on the welding table, and it's easy to slide around. When he's done with this, he's going to give an explanation of what his overall vision is for this in just a moment. So I'm going to go ahead and stop talking, wrap this video up. Lynn's going to talk here in a minute. Thanks again for watching. If you like it, give us a thumbs up. Appreciate the support.
I also think we're going to probably end up cutting some of these, because this is so tight back there, the frame rails and stuff.
Yeah.
And there's a bolt hole right next to it for the bumper, and this is where this is where we're gonna put that Rivnut at.
Yes.
So I think we'll be able to cut an inch off that way. We'll be able to get a nut and bolt for the back bumper. So we'll just have to watch that. But I also think I want to. Coat it. I wasn't going to cap the ends, but you're never going to see the ends of it.
Right.
So this one here was just because it's right. It really doesn't matter. It's not in the. It's not. That end's open and that end's open. It doesn't matter. I was gonna. But I will on those stands that we did for the motor mounts.
Yes.
Where it cut them at an angle. Those I will fill in. That way. Looks more gooder.